Today's topic is budget-friendly interior styling tips that instantly transform your space. Hey everyones, welcome back to the Design SK Studio channel, where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, budget-friendly interior styling tips that'll make your home feel fresh, stylish, and totally you, without draining your wallet. Because let's be real, home decor makeovers can get expensive if you're not careful. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a fortune to create a space that feels cozy, chic, and totally elevated. All right, let's jump straight in with real, doable, creative tips you can start today. 1. Repurpose and rearrange. First up, repurpose and rearrange. Before you even think about buying anything new, shop your own home first. Rearrange furniture. Simply changing the layout of a room can make it feel new. Move a chair from the bedroom to the living room. Turn an old ladder into a shelf, or use baskets meant for laundry as planters. Repurpose items. Use an old ladder as a bookshelf or an antique trunk as a coffee table. Repurposing furniture and rearranging decor is honestly one of the easiest ways to breathe new life into your interiors. $0 required. 2. DIY projects. Next, let's talk about DIY projects. Whether it's building your own coffee table, painting an old dresser, or creating wall art, DIY home decor is a game changer for tight budgets. Plus, you'll add a completely unique personal vibe to your space. No one else will have it. Here, other alternative for DIY projects: paint. A fresh coat of paint can transform a room. Choose a new color for an accent wall or repaint furniture. Create art. Make your own wall art using canvas, fabric, or even framed prints of your favorite photos. And hey, even simple projects like spray painting vases or reupholstering chair seats can make a massive difference. 3. Thrift and upcycle. Moving on, thrift shopping and upcycling old furniture are pure gold for budget-friendly makeovers. Vintage stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, you name it, are full of hidden gems waiting for a second life. Here are some other options for thrift and upcycle secondhand finds. Check out thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces for affordable furniture and decor. Upcycling. Give a new lease of life to old items. Reupholster chairs, repaint dressers, or turn mason jars into vases. A little sanding, a little paint, and boom! You've got yourself a stunning, one-of-a-kind piece for a fraction of the cost. 4. Add greenery. Here's a big one. Add greenery. Indoor plants are the secret weapon for making your space feel lively and curated on a budget. Houseplants. Inexpensive houseplants can add a refreshing touch. Plant them in DIY pots or even repurposed containers. Cuttings and propagating. Grow new plants from cuttings of existing ones. Small succulents, leafy ferns, or even just fresh-cut branches in a vase. Instantly add color, texture, and a breath of fresh air. And if you don't have a green thumb, no shame. There are some pretty amazing faux plants out there that look super realistic. 5. Play with textiles. Are textiles another powerful tool in interior styling? Swap out, throw pillows, add a cozy blanket, or roll out a new rug. New pillow covers and throws can add color and texture to your space. Rugs. Look for affordable rugs to define areas and add warmth. Textile updates bring in new colors, patterns, and textures without a full remodel. Mixing different fabrics, like linen, velvet, or chunky knits, creates serious visual interest for next to nothing. 6. Focus on lighting. Now, let's talk about lighting design. Good lighting changes everything. Swap out boring overhead lights for a stylish floor lamp, or string up some fairy lights for instant ambiance. Here are some other considerations in using lighting as interior styling tips. DIY. Lighting fixtures. Create your own pendant lights or lampshades. Backlighted shelves with green plants on each shelf can add a cozy and whimsical touch to any room. Even adding a few battery-operated puck lights under shelves or inside cabinets can make your space look super high-end on a tight budget. 7. Declutter and organize. Here's a tip that costs literally nothing but makes a massive impact. Declutter and organize. A well-organized, clutter-free space always feels bigger, calmer, and more put together. Don't forget to think the following statement. When decluttering and organizing your space, organize and declutter. A tidy space always looks better. Use baskets and boxes to store items neatly. Baskets, bins, and simple shelving can create stylish storage solutions that double as decor. 8. Add personal touches. Never underestimate the power of personal touches. Frame your favorite photos, display souvenirs from trips, or create a gallery wall with art that actually means something to you. Display personal items. Showcase your favorite books, family photos, or travel souvenirs. Gallery wall. Create a gallery wall with inexpensive frames and your favorite prints or photos. Personalized home decor makes your space feel authentic, warm, and totally you. And that's something money can't always buy. 9. Use mirrors. Another trick that's pure magic. Use mirrors. Mirrors for small spaces or strategic mirror placement can instantly make a room feel twice as large and twice as bright. Look for affordable options and place them strategically. And remember, thrifted mirrors are easy to find, and a little spray paint or reframing can make them look brand new. 10. Seasonal decor updates. Seasonal decor is another fun way to refresh your space without a big commitment. Swap pillow covers, wreaths, or table settings depending on the season. It keeps your home feeling fresh and in tune with the time of year, and it can be super budget-friendly if you focus on small, reusable pieces. 11. Use fabric and wallpaper remnants. Here's a little-known secret: fabric and wallpaper remnants. You can find leftover pieces for cheap and use them to line drawers, create mini feature walls, wrap books for styled shelves, or even frame fabric. Use remnants to make pillows, cover lampshades, or create wall art. Wallpaper. Use leftover wallpaper to line shelves, create an accent wall, or cover furniture. It's a budget styling hack that's creative, stylish, and eco-friendly. 12. Focus on small changes first. And finally, focus on small changes first. You don't have to gut the room to make it feel brand new. Even simple swaps like new throw pillows, different lampshades, or a freshly styled bookshelf can completely refresh the look. Don't forget to include these when you care, focusing on small changes. Hardware. Swap out old drawer pulls and cabinet knobs for a fresh look. Hooks and hangers. Add stylish hooks and hangers for functionality and decor. Start small, keep experimenting, and enjoy the creative process. Now let's wrap up. So there you have it, 12 easy, budget-friendly home styling tips to upgrade your space without breaking the bank. Remember, beautiful interiors aren't about spending the most money. They're about making the most of what you have and adding your own creative spin. If you loved these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more affordable interior design ideas, DIY home decor inspiration, and small space styling hacks coming your way. Design SK Studio channel is the place where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're planning to try first? Until next time, happy decorating. Don't forget to click the notification bell for the next educational design video. Thank you.